Hello everybody. Today we got a flashlight to review. This is one of my favorite flashlights of all time. Possibly my favorite flashlight. To be honest, it probably is because it has all the features I could ever want, and it's pretty compact. Fits right in the palm of my hand. Magnet on the bottom, so you can stick it to stuff. There's low. Double click for high. Double click again for strobe. Hold it for moonlight, which is still pretty bright. And I think it keeps the last mode you're on. Oh no, there's moonlight. Yeah, there we go. So that was low. Low, high, strobe, moonlight, that's pretty much all you need. You can hold it to cycle through high and low. And then when it's off and you hold it, you get moonlight. It's like 5 lumens or something. Clip is awesome. You can take it off and swap it around, move it around. I think you can put it right here too, the opposite direction, so you can put it on your hat. Is this thing on? Oh yeah, okay. This thing costs like $40. All titanium handles, so I mean, I think it's worth it. I mean, you get so many good features. Clip works great, magnet's great, little lanyard hole right there. Just looks really cool. You got this like nut kind of thing here for the button. Button's really smooth, clicks, on and off. You don't really hear the click, it's just like you press it, but it's a very smooth, satisfying button. And I love that it says CutleryLover. I'm a big fan of his. I think he designed a great flashlight. If this damn thing will focus. But yeah, I got this on Amazon. You can get it, on ThruNite's website, a few other places, I'm sure. So yeah, Firefly mode is a half a lumen. Apparently it lasts 13 days. Wait a minute. I might be looking at the wrong. This thing runs off 1 AA. I might actually be looking at the wrong flashlight for some reason. Or maybe they just, I don't know, maybe I'm just retarded. But yeah, this flashlight, Firefly mode, 0.5 lumens. Low mode, 7 lumens. Medium, 50. And the high, the double click, 230. And strobe, also 230. Let's see here. What else can I say about this thing? I mean, I keep it by my bed and it works, great in pretty much any situation I've needed it for. It fits well in the pocket. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that. The one thing I love and hate is the magnet. It's very useful for a lot of projects, but carrying it around every day kind of is annoying. Getting, like, things will stick to it, or if I hang my keys on my belt, it'll stick to that, or it'll stick to my knife or my pen or something else in my pocket. So I kind of need like a dedicated, like if I'm wearing jeans, I'll slip into the third pocket, or you know, the watch pocket or whatever you call it. But yeah, the magnet is just slightly annoying for EDC purposes, but that's why I just keep it next to my bed on this little metal thing just stuck to the side of it so I can just grab it. But I mean, it's just a great flashlight overall. Highly recommend it. Keep it in your car, keep it wherever. And you know, if you don't carry a whole lot of other things, or you have like a empty pocket all the time and you're looking for a flashlight and the magnet, you know, it doesn't bother you, it's not going to stick to anything else, I would say definitely grab this one. It's probably one of the best ones. I mean, $40, it is kind of a lot, but titanium, it's not going to break. You know, maybe the bulb will break somehow. You'll replace the batteries eventually, but this thing should last forever. Like, I use it all the time, and I've dropped it, you know, scratched it up a little bit, but it's works great. And the handle is just very comfortable. It's not like super aggressive grippy or anything like that, but I don't know, it looks cool. Maybe if you had gloves or something, it would be a little more, I don't know. But yeah, very comfortable. Sometimes at night it's hard to find the button, but I did what CutleryLover did. I watched his video on it, of course. I just rotated the clip so it's pointing right at the button. So I take it out of my pocket and I just boop, go right down, find the button, no problem. So that's just a good little bonus tip there. Shout out to CutleryLover. Come on, will this thing focus for me? Like, they laser printed the design into this thing and it came out great. If you've seen his design, oh jeez. Well, I've rambled on long enough. If you want this flashlight, again, it's the T10Tv2 by ThruNite. This is the CutleryLover design. It has his logo on it. I think you can get it without it, but I mean, he designed it, so might as well get it with it. I don't think it really costs anything extra, but yeah, great AA flashlight, 4 modes, reversible clip, and reversible or removable lanyard hole, all the features. Alright, have a good day. Bye. Realized I should probably do a demonstration video. Here's the logo again. I remembered it didn't focus too well earlier. But anyway, 1 click turns it on. 2 clicks, super bright. Another 2 clicks and strobe. Click it to turn off, and you hold it for super low power. Flashlight mode, half a lumen. Or moonlight mode. Great for reading. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Yeah, you would think it's okay now. Yeah, I agree. I live inside that we're okay. Yeah, it's all right. It's up to you.
Anyways. Magnet on the bottom too. I don't know if I mentioned that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.